Alright, on this episode of Cooking with the Kowalskis, we got some little spin on a little roast dinner. We got Mama over here chopping up some potatoes. Can you say potatoes?
Potatoes.
Yep. And we got roast cooking in the little instant pot here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to cook the potatoes and then some onions and peppers. And instead of just having regular roast, we're going to put some green chili with it and put it on top of the potatoes with some cheese and sour cream. Can you say cheese?
Cheese.
Sour cream?
Cheese.
And some peppers.
Babies.
And onions.
Onions.
And roast.
Toast.
And we're going to combine it all together for dinner.
Dinner.
Yes. All right, we'll show you as the cooking process continues. Say, see ya.
See ya. Mommy. See. Mommy.
You cutting up your veggies?
Mommy.
Just like mommy. Can you go cut?
Cut. Cut.
Good job. All right, we got the veggies, some peppers and onions, and then some diced up tomato or potatoes, all cooking. Can you say potatoes?
Yes.
Can you say peppers
Peppers.
and onions?
Onions.
All right, we got it all cooking. So I'm gonna make my bowl up here. So start with some potatoes on the bottom, put some roast on top after that. Shout out to the Staub Farm Ranch. They have the best beef around. We're gonna put some peppers and onions on there as well. Get it there. And then we're gonna put a little cheese on top of that here. Melt it all down. Add a little guac. And some sour cream. Good, good. And then we're gonna add a little cilantro. And then we got a couple different here. We got that green chili stuff, and that was really spicy. So we're gonna mix that with just some green verde salsa, and just put that on top as well. And there we go. We got a little potato roast Mexi bowl going on. So there's dinner for tonight. All right, we got everything cooked up. We got some roast. Can you say roast?
Toast.
We got potatoes. Can you say?
Potatoes.
Yep. And peppers,
Peppers.
onions,
Onions.
guac,
Cut.
and a little salsa.
Salsa.
Yeah, we're gonna dip it all in there. You can dip it as much as you want. And what do we gotta do before we eat, though?
Dip, dip.
Dip. Hey,